This is TFT and this is my first vlog. Hi, Christopher. How's your hair? Jaden, I like your hair. Jaden, I like your hair.
A lot of people come that want to sell things really cheap.
It's very windy outside here in Connecticut.
No, it's that we're in the car.
Where's my phone?
Hey, I don't need your back sass.
My cell phone?
Janelle has it.
Oh yeah. Okay, I was playing theater. Can we play a game on that?
Battery's dying. You gotta wait till it's done charging.
Okay, so we're going to the mall, and I'm gonna go to the Apple store and see if they have a game for the Mac, Age of Empires 3. Alright, so I'll see you there. Okay, so we're here at the mall now.
Auntie, I need that too. Nice.
You guys are slow. We're on our way to the doors. I'm so excited. She can't.
Just pull me in the back.
I think I see some lice in there. Wait, I'm not done. I'm gonna comb your hair.
Hard it in the front.
I'm not a housewife. I can't do this. Oh. Hey, here, I did it. You still have your Mr. Goodbar. Show the viewers your Mr. Goodbar. It's good stuff. Oh, that's cute. They get to hold hands. Hold my hand, man.
No.
Hold my hand.
Okay.
Okay, so like I said earlier, oh, I don't want to get hit by a car. Like I said earlier, I'm gonna go to the Apple store. We're gonna see some Age of Empires. Hey,
You're hanging out with Justice.
you wanna come with me? Or do you wanna stay at the nail salon?
I'm going to the nail salon.
Who's getting their nails done?
Huh?
Who's getting their nails done?
Just me. I don't know where. Renee.
Are you getting your nails done? Are you looking at some underwear, man?
No.
Hit me up on that.
Baby shirts.
Same thing.
Yes, Auntie?
Alrighty.
You know what she said? What'd you say?
Do you want to get your nails done?
Renee's gonna get.
Would you like to get your nails done?
Or you guys, if you don't want to, you guys can hang out.
Yeah, you can hang out with me, because I'm the best person in the world.
Yeah, right.
So,
I'm starting a new vlog on my channel.
a vlog.
A vlog. A vlog.
Vlog.
V for video. Vlog. So you log in your videos. No special effects or anything. It's really raw. Alright, so here's the deal. I want to go get my mom something for Mother's Day, and I guess the order didn't go through, and I haven't told her that yet, so I need to find something for her. What should I get?
We just walked into the store and we lost Christopher. That's surprising. No, seriously, we can't
You lost a little kid?
We can't find
Alright, what should I get my mom? What looks good?
Look at that cross.
The gold one? You know what? I forgot my wallet. Pop's sake. That sucks. I forgot my wallet. Alright, maybe another day. Alright, but viewers, tell me which piece of jewelry I should get my mom.
Yeah.
Or never mind. She's right here.
Flipping out?
No?
Yeah, he's flipping out. Because he didn't see us.
Really?
Yeah.
This is for you.
So the lady at the register was like, oh my gosh, can I see money? And she's like, okay, we're going to right now.
Was he like screaming?
Yeah. That's why they were waiting for the money thing. Okay, did you not run your lesson?
These are the real deal right here. Even though they cost like $100.
No, he's for.
I think he wants one.
No, he doesn't. Wow. Wow, huh?
pretty cool.
How they break easily.
Even though they break the first day you get them, they're pretty cool. Alright, so
Cool?
Yes.
Yeah.
we're leaving the gates of JCPenney, and I will continue this at the Apple store. Say peace.
Peace.
Okay, so we're here at Apple right now, the Apple store. The Apple store. Unfortunately, I'm linked with this kid right here. My parents didn't want to take him. Alright, Christopher, let's go. See if they have Age of Empires. You don't have to hold my hand. Don't hold my hand.
I'm here.
Hi, sweetheart. How are you?
Good.
Good.
They're very nice at the Apple store. Good. Alright, I see it. Alrighty.
Ooh, can we get something? Can we get something? Can I get this?
I'm digging Age of Empires.
Huh? We want to get something too.
You want to get something too? But then I also like Portal. I got the first one for Xbox. And I just found out that you actually play a human. I thought you played a robot. Huh. I don't know. Because I also want Parallels. Yeah, Photoshop is good. I don't know, what should I get? Portal 2 or Age of Empires? Comment down below. Okay, so we just came from the Apple store, and I guess they have the iPad 16 gigabyte available. So I'm gonna try to persuade my mom to get it. How do you think we'll do?
Huh?
How do you think we'll do? Say yes or no.
No.
Alright, that's not good. But alright, I'll see you there. Alright, so we are at the corner counter, which happens to be on a corner counter. What are you getting?
I am going to get,
You don't have to sound all scripted.
I'm getting a unique veggie.
A Monique veggie?
Unique veggie.
Unique Monique. What are you getting, young man?
My hand finger.
A hand binger?
Yeah, hamburger.
Or what are you getting?
Hi, grilled cheese.
What?
Grilled cheese.
I like your hair.
Don't speak to me.
Janelle, what are you getting?
Lemon juice.
Lemon juice. It's good. Good kid.
No, there's nothing is wrong. It's wrong.
Okay, so after this, we are going to Barnes & Noble to play with choo-choo trains, and we will have fun doing so. Okay, so remember the toy trains I was talking about earlier at Barnes & Noble? To Barnes & Noble to play with choo-choo trains. Well, guess what? We're here, and we're obviously at Barnes & Noble Junior. Let's go see the trains. What's he doing? What's he doing?
Nothing. Fine. But you know it's already 5 o'clock?
Really?
Yeah. I text Tina telling her that I'm going to be late.
Pretty late.
But it's so nice out, too.
Huh?
Kind of not in the mood, though.
Really? I don't know.
But I haven't seen Janelle at all.
Hey, Christopher.
Hi.
Hey.
Say hi.
You're not playing with the trains? If you got all excited about the trains, I'm sorry, because they're obviously not that exciting. Let's go see Nappy Hair. Hey! You like Kung Fu Panda? She's a baby. Oh. Alright, this concludes the first day of TFT vlogs. Make sure to subscribe and rate. And most of all, comment so I have ideas for our next vlog, which is next weekend. And don't miss my tutorials. They're very informative on anything from Photoshop to iMovie. Alright, thanks for watching. Peace. Okay, before we go, I just want to show you something real quick. For some reason, I was looking in Needlecraft, and I found this. Now, I don't know if this means anything, so comment down below whatever stitch in it's called. But, yeah, I thought that was a little weird. Alright, comment. Bye. It's for real this time. Oh, I gotta take a poop so bad.